And this is...
Colin hitting it off on the keyboard with Yama no wa Yama. And now, as we take the God's hand in prayer, please open your hymns to page 64. God bless us. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. This is our theme to the Skid Expressing Show. Let's go with the flow. The ending to our theme song.
I'm still sick, but it's getting a bit better. I put it in the song so it seems so clever.
He's even rolled them.
Just the past? Where's the future?
In 1990.
Which is now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Well, heaven be a dog's day.
I love that. Every time I think
Ryan, don't cry.
I won't. My name's Darren Ray, and I'm 19 years old. Just joking, I swallowed a toad, and I don't know what to do on my birthday. Said yo, yo, yo.
Do that. It should have been like a white color. But anyway, just to give you an idea, I'm trying to figure out how to save this owl. I didn't like how the face was looking. It's still there, but I want to make this more of an owl. So stay tuned. Let's slap it down.
So I looked back over my shoulder. I thought something was getting knocked over at first, and then I was like, oh.
White dinosaur power! White dinosaur power! What is that about?
Yeah, what is that?
I have no idea.
There's a
Arch
Sasquatch song.
Way down the forest. We had buckets of brew. Smoke out on silver, blue, and green. Don't get lost that deep in the forest. You're never gonna find your way through. When you come face to face to the Sasquatch, you wanna turn you into Sasquatch too. That's what I said. Northwest, south, east, west, north, south. Catch me a doggone Sasquatch and bring them back down to
got the second verse. But we got the first verse. Great song.
Nice. Oh, could I?
So much. Yeah. Well, no stuff was on the left.